Hey folks, it's that time. Bambu Lab has officially announced the X2D. Let's take a look at the information that's on their website. This is the official website for Bambu Lab here in the US, and you can see we've got the X2D. We've got a lot of what we were expecting, although that nozzle temp is a little low. Dual nozzle 3D printing, 300 degree C nozzle, 60 degree active chamber heating. So we did get the chamber heating. Closed loop servo motor extruder, full filament path AI detection, 256 by 256 by 260 millimeter print volume. Let's see, what else can we look at? We'll take a quick look at the pictures here. Nothing overly shocking. We do have that Bowden extruder there on the back, and the X2D alone is $649 and the combo is legit $899. So that is a pretty aggressive price. Let's come on. So we've got a dual nozzle servo extruder, dual intake, active heating, and AI monitoring. Unlike traditional motor-driven systems, X2D packs a gear and trigger mechanism into the tool head. The nozzle change lever taps the trigger arm, driving an internal gear train to change the nozzle. No extra weight, just a clean swap. X2D pairs a 300 degree C nozzle with a 65 degree actively heated chamber, hot enough for the majority of engineering filaments like ABS, ASA, and nylon. Looks like we have the similar motor to what we first saw in the X2D, AI live view camera, and a tool head camera. So again, very similar to the H series. Filament path monitoring, filament controls. Here are our technical specifications. Dual nozzle printing, 235 by 256 by 256. So you will lose some print bed area when you are printing with both nozzles. So that is very similar to what we've seen on their other dual nozzle printers. Max nozzle temperature, again, 300 degrees C. Included nozzle diameter, 0.4. We have our standard. Let's see, we'll expand the table. Max speed of tool head, 1,000 millimeters per second. Max acceleration, 20,000 millimeters per second. Max flow, 40 millimeters cubed. And all right, live view camera, 1920 by 1080, tool head camera, 1600 by 1200. Okay, folks, so there you have it. Let's take a quick look at the features side by side with some of the other printers in this price lineup and see what we have there. All right, here we have a nice look at all of these printers at a glance. I won't go over the P2S, H2S, or H2D, but we'll focus on the X2D. So again, that is coming in at $649 for the printer by itself and $899 for the combo. Our build volume is 256 by 256 by 260, and that is if you are only using one of the nozzles. Max speed of 1,000 millimeters per second. Our acceleration is 20,000 millimeters per second squared. We have two nozzles. Our nozzle temp is capped at 300 degrees Celsius. So if you are looking for some higher temperatures, you're gonna need to jump up to the H series. You do have an active heated chamber at 65 degrees. You can run up to 24 colors using 4 AMS2 Pros and 8 AMS HTs. Of course, not being a hybrid printer, this is not going to be capable of using the laser and all of those other accessories like the H2S or the H2D. And as far as cameras go, we've got a 1080p live view and then that tool head camera. And again, just some key differentiators here. You've got that heated chamber is pretty much the same across the H2S, H2D, and the X2D. You've got dual nozzle on the X2D. Your max print speed is the same as the H2S. It's a little faster than the H2D, so you can get a little bit faster print times on the X2D than the H2D, potentially. And then here is that build volume limitation. I didn't go through all of them on the H2D, but 235.5 by 256 by 256 millimeters. When you are running the X2D in the dual nozzle configuration, you do have full support for engineering filaments, same compatibility with your AMS units, one live view, one tool head camera. I was not able to confirm yet, just for time's sake, whether or not this can use the vision encoder. My guess is probably, since it has that tool head camera, and I believe that is the camera that the vision encoder plate is read by. And then starting price again, $649 for the single printer. Okay, folks, so there you have it. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Is this what you were expecting? Do you have any interest in this printer, or is it a no from the start due to there's just too much competition? They are definitely aiming at that $900 price point, which is where the U1 currently sits. So you can get into the Bambu Lab ecosystem at the same price point, but you're looking at a 2-nozzle printer instead of a 4 tool head changer with the U1. So again, I'm very interested to know what you think down in the comments. Hey, thanks for spending a little bit of time with me this morning. As always, I would appreciate it if you would take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I enjoy the time that we get to spend together here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.